way back here.
Well, I don't know who they're talking about.
Yeah, June 1st through 2nd. So 2 more tournaments.
Then we'll be done.
Yeah.
One more! Oh, yeah, I can go back.
Come on, John!
Good job, volcanoes!
Come on, TJ.
Why do you keep trying to do it? You know you can't run.
Pull back, Will!
Good job.
Good job.
Take your time.
What's up, Master? This guy should be like this.
Tiger just got that silly laugh. What y'all laughing for? Y'all should like this game should be like it. Tiger just silly though. He can't help it. He can't help it. No.
Hey, somebody needs to be down here.
Good job.
Get down here!
Cut it off. Onyx should have stepped
Get over
up.
there!
He said time out when we had the ball, damn it. Nope. Get the ball.
Time out!
That's crazy.
He's been yelling time out from me.
Right. Like, right, before it made it to this end, and then they still just proceeded to do whatever. They don't. Don't blow the game.
Get on him, coach. Get on him, coach. He be out. He be on the bench.
Is he talking back right now?
Yeah, but he told me to look.
Josh talking trash too?
No, John ain't saying
Okay, he said good job. Okay, I was like, what? Like, not John.
It's quiet. Yeah, when he gets on.
Right, I'm like, what?
I heard him say nothing
Right. He knows better.
There you go, good job.
Defense!
There you go.
Get that foul, Tiger!
Pull back out. Help him out, y'all.
Let's go!
Use that backboard.
Oh, see how quick it was called and received.
Time out.
Yeah. Right.
They both heard that.
Hello. Cutie. Are you playing peekaboo with me? I did. All right.
Everybody get them in.
Yes.
Come on. Soccer. Step up.
Good job.
He did, but it's all right. Let's go.
Good job, Will. Way to go through it.
Come on, damn it.
Good job, D.
Defense, TJ. Walk. And if they hit a three,
Don't give up a three.
step up.
Good job. Good job.
Behind you. Go, Josh.
All the way, Josh.
No. Kick him in the ball, right? Come on.
Don't let him tie it up. Come on.
Stand there and hold it.
I guess they stopped.
He thought they were going to foul him, but they just tied the ball up and turned it right back over.
Right.
Yeah.
Move around, make them foul you.
Exactly.
Right.
Instead of passing, they could have played 50 way
Right.
or 70%.
Right. We could have played hot potato.
So,
Right. Hot potato. Just pop, pop, pop. For 17 seconds, people. Because all they got to do is get a three. Yeah. Oh, have mercy.
Stay with him, though.
Man,
It's off the baseline.
we're in man.
Good job. Good job, boys. Do it again.
6. You are full. Like,
Do
dude.
it again.
He called it on Onyx. Glad that one wasn't a foul, damn it. Onyx! Don't do it!
I mean, he deserved it, but
But, like, no. And we're like, Onyx, don't do it!
he made sure he was getting his
Like, you can see everything in him was like, we about to fight. Yeah.
made sure he was getting his
Yeah.
They call it tech.
On who?
They call it tech. No on him. They call it
Okay.
tech on that foul. That was a flagrant. Go, Will.
Come on, Will.
Time,
Come
Will.
on. Take your time.
This one.
Come on, Will. That's not, yeah, we're putting all the pressure on him. Yep, it's all right. It's all right. Foul with your hands, not your whole arms. Like,
whole body.
right. He took a football dive on him, like. Oh, Onyx will. Tiger.
Go, Will.
5.
5. Blocking the back. Like, are we playing football? They're like, we're about to lose, so let's just
Go, Will.
smack him up. Come on, Will.
They're trying to make it.
There it is. One more. Money.
No fouls, no fouls.
Don't fail.
3-2.
Just back up.
Like, they're ridiculous.
No foul.
1-1. I bet.
All right, all you gotta do is get it in on the
Right, I bet. It's that horrible ass reffing you've been doing. They're in the shooting bonus now. They're saying we fouled enough for them to shoot. Well, that's because they only calling fouls on it. That's all right.
He called no basketball because the 23 moved to.
Box out.
Gotta get it in. Sorry, over the top, over the top. Go get him.
Drive, Will. Hell, he walked.